Hello everyone, have a nice day. Today, I continue to share with you a new method of propagating roses that is especially effective and safe. After only 10 days, you will be surprised to see the new shoots sprouting green and the thick white roots growing densely. Let's start step by step with me. First, we prepare an onion. Onions are not only a familiar food, but also a natural panacea for plants. Wash the onion, peel off the skin, chop it and put it in a glass jar with 500 milliliters of boiling water. Onion peels are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids and organic sulfur, compounds that can kill harmful bacteria and molds. When we soak flower branches in onion peel solution, we are creating a natural protective armor that helps prevent root rot while providing trace nutrients that stimulate the growth of young roots. Then, cover and let it cool. At this time the essence from the onion peel has dissolved in the water, creating a wonderful plant nutrient solution. Next, prepare a healthy rose branch. Choose a young branch, that is, not too young or too old. This is the age when the branch has the best ability to root. Cut off all the leaves and sharp thorns to limit water loss, then cut it short, leaving only 15 to 20 centimeters. This treatment not only helps the branch focus its energy on sprouting and developing roots, but also reduces the risk of fungal attacks from excess leaves. When the onion peel solution has cooled, we filter out the residue, keeping the clear water. To increase the strength, chop about 30 grams of fresh onion and put it directly into the filtered solution. Fresh onions contain a lot of phytoncide, a powerful plant antibiotic compound, which helps disinfect cuts and stimulate root cell division. Then, soak the rose branches in this solution for 30 minutes so that the essence penetrates deep into the wood tissue. In addition, we prepare rice water, a folk secret that has been applied for a long time. Ice contains a lot of starch, B vitamins, iron, magnesium and especially phytic acid. A compound that helps break down minerals, helping plants absorb nutrients easily. When thoroughly washing 100 grams of rice with 500 milliliters of clean water, we get a milky white solution rich in nutrients. This is a natural source of energy, providing food for the flower branches right from the beginning. After the flower branches have soaked in the onion solution for a sufficient amount of time, we take them out and combine this solution with rice water. The resulting mixture has both strong antibacterial properties and provides the necessary starch and vitamins, creating a perfect environment for root formation. Stir well to blend the nutrients, and we have a magic water specifically for rose cuttings. Now it's time to fix the branches. We need a clean glass jar and a piece of foam. Cut the foam so that it fits the mouth of the jar, then use a small stick to make a hole in the middle, just the size of the flower branch. Fill the jar with the onion rice solution, then cover the foam on top. Insert the base of the rose branch through the small hole so that the base is submerged deep in the solution, just enough to have direct contact with the nutrients. The foam will keep the branch upright, not shaking, helping the roots to develop more stably. To ensure humidity and avoid environmental impacts, we cover the mouth of the jar tightly with a plastic bag or a transparent plastic cup. Then place it in a cool place, away from strong winds and harsh sunlight. This is the ideal mini greenhouse environment, helping the flower branches maintain a stable temperature and humidity throughout the rooting process. And now, after only 10 days, you will see a miracle happen. The rose branch begins to sprout green, vibrant young shoots. At the base, countless white, plump roots spread around the cut, a sign that the branch is ready to be planted in a large pot. Gently move the plant to a pot with a well-drained substrate. Preferably river sand so that the young roots are airy, easy to adhere and grow strongly. Thus, with just onions and rice water, you have in hand a secret to cutting rose branches that is both simple and effective, completely without the need for expensive chemicals. If you find this method useful, don't forget to leave a comment, share it with your friends. And remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the great flower growing tips I'll share in the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. Good luck.